Hey guys, it's Becca, and it's Sew Sampler time! And I've got the March 2019 Sew Sampler box. Let's dig in. If you're not familiar, really quick, the Sew Sampler box is a sewing/quilting subscription box. It comes once a month. It's curated by Fat Quarter Shop, so you can check it out over at fatquartershop.com. And it is $29.90, which includes shipping within the United States. The tape's cut. Are you ready? I am. Ooh. March 2019 is a Paris theme. This month we get 20% off of all Jolly Bars. There's a promo code underneath my hand that we can use to apply to our cart. A Jolly Bar is exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop. It's a layer cake cut in half. So you have 40 or 42 pieces of fabric, and it is 5 inches by 10 inches. Here's our cheap packet that tells us everything inside and the retail value. I'm so excited for this box. I don't know what to open first. Let's just go. Oh my God. Okay. Every time I pull something out to show you, I get more excited. This box this month is awesome. Okay, let me just show you why it's awesome. Hold on. We have a package of 12 spool hugger peels. These are awesome. You put them on your thread spools and it keeps the thread from unraveling off your spool. You can buy these at fatquartershop.com for $9.98. We have an iron rest. I gotta tell you, I've been wanting one of these and I haven't bought it. I have the Aliso Pro, so I almost feel like I don't need it because the iron lifts up on its own. Except heat still kind of hits the fabric, so I like to make little ironing board covers for my little ironing mat, and the heat does still scorch it because it still gets really hot when I have it on that high heat setting. So I've been debating about buying one of these, and I have it, but now I don't need to! Let's just take it out and see what it looks like. So this is a very cute iron rest. Look at that pattern. This retails for $10.98, and it's not even going back in the container. I will put it right on my ironing mat. Oh, so cool. So excited! Sometimes you get boxes from Fat Quarter Shop, and you're just like, that was all right. But then other times you get boxes where you're like, okay, I don't know what to show you next. There's a couple really good items in here. All right, let's show you the stuff that you probably care about a little less. This just looks like a freebie. It's not in the pamphlet, but it looks like a little pattern for Jolly Bars. The print quality is pretty good. It's on nice paper and it's easy to read. Full color instructions. They just want you to buy Jolly Bars. And this is a good reason to make you do it. Go buy some Jolly Bars. We are done with the Stinkin' Barn Block program. No. So each month the Sew Sampler box comes with a recipe card for one block. It starts in April and runs through March. In March you get the final block plus a pattern for the finishing kit. Each card is $4.98. Since we got two cards, the finishing kit plus the block, the retail value for those was $9.96. We have a Sew Sampler exclusive for the pattern. The exclusive means you can't buy it. It's only available if you were subscribed to Sew Sampler. The pattern retails for $9.98. Finishing kits are available at an additional charge on the Fat Quarter Shop website. The throw version measures 48.5 by 48.5. The lap version will measure 60.5 by 76.5. This is going to have to go on my list of things to do. Two more things to share. First up is our notion for this month, which is a pair of 7-inch scissors by Tim Holtz. These scissors retail for $13.98. Who can't use a good pair of scissors? And I'm super stoked to get a real pair of scissors, not little bitty teeny thread snips. Real scissors that can cut through some layers. This is awesome. They're titanium. Last up is the fabric, and as you probably guessed, this month we got a Jolly Bar. Here is a Jolly Bar. So it's 5 inches tall, and then each strip of fabric in here is going to be 10 inches. So every piece of fabric is 5 inches by 10 inches. It is from the Chantilly line by Fig Tree Quilts. It will contain 42 pieces of 5 by 10 inch rectangles, and these retail for $18.98. You guys want to see the fabric? You want to see the fabric? I do too. I love Fig Tree. So let's just, I'm not going to take the ribbon off, but I can at least give you a little flip. Oh, look at all that. Look at all that. I love Fig Tree. She's got those pretty creams and those greens. Yeah. If you want to see better pictures of this, just hop over to fatquartershop.com and type in Chantilly by Fig Tree Quilts. Also, just as an added bonus, on the back of the card that gives you all the details for the contents, there is a promo code for 20% off any of the box items that were in here. So if you want more of that fabric, you can go over and use that 20% off code to get it at a discount. Okay guys, those are all the items in the March 2019 Sew Sampler box. The entire box retails for $73.86. This month was a major haul. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button on your way out. I'll see you guys later.